in Tirana.
Blue open, no singlet.
So Shimizu, 26 years old. Well, Beyshekiev just 21.
Red, blue, head up, chest to chest, okay?
We can expect some fireworks between these two great nations.
Finger, open,
both
blue.
of them are looking to get that first parterre opportunity. I've seen both of these wrestlers do reverse lift. Let's see who's the better one of them.
Contact, blue, давай.
Супер акция. Одон супер хит. 50 гигабайт болгону 230 сомго. Эмнеге ашыкча төлөш керек? Интернет, банк, кызматтар, сатып алуулар жана бонустар. Баары бир Мой О тиркемесинде. Супер хитти азыр кошуп ал.
Давай, blue, contact, blue.
Nearing that halfway point in a scoreless match, we're going to see the passivity, and there it is. Shimizu hit for passive, 1 point for Beyshekiev.
Correct position.
We go parterre.
Shimizu has to be careful here. I think he's well aware of his opponent's abilities from the reverse lift here. So what he has to do is to be quick and try to stand up.
After visa, contact. Open,
He
blue.
wants to center his head between his opponent's legs.
Blue open. Blue open.
Throws it through for two, still maintains the lock.
Action red.
Plants Shimizu on his face.
Open, blue. Red action. Action red.
Oh, lifts, turns, plants, two more.
What is going on?
Action red, double. Open, blue. Red.
Does he get exposure here? Does not look like it. White paddled.
What a sequence.
Red up.
He's just turning upside down in the air.
Why throw it through when you can just plant it back down for four?
Red. Red. Red center.
That's quizzical and rhetorical at the same time. 7-0 on the restart.
It looked like in the second part of that sequence, like it was a leg foul by blue, but I'm not sure. I need to see that again.
No finger. Open. Red open.
Kyrgyzstan currently a point away from a fourth Asian championship on the week.
Corner.
Every time and at every big championship. It's very impressive to see their progress.
Red open. No
Well, how much of an impact does a guy like, Aksjol Makhmudov's performances coming through kind of inspire the rest of the team? When you have somebody in the program that's successful, how does that carry over to the other wrestlers?
I mean, I don't think it only carries over to the other wrestlers, but to other generations looking up to a role model like that. Aksjol, what a champion.
Blue. Up or down.
Point for Shimizu on the passivity.
Razzak, высит под Razzak. That's it.
He has a lot to catch up. He has a big mission in front of him right now, Shimizu. He goes for that reverse lift too. Let's see who's better of him.
Action blue. Blue action. The blue dog. Blue action dog.
Wow.
And it looked like Shimizu just kind of got hung up there. Couldn't really.
We're talking world-class defense there by Beyshekiev.
Well, we've got a blue challenge. He is a point away from ending it.
Beyshekiev is doing a great job controlling his opponent's wrist. He's not taking any chances at all. He does not want to extend his arms at all. Just keep his elbows to his body. Not opening it up for any potential clinch situations at all.
Open finger. Open finger.
Beyshekiev is not moving. He's still controlling the center of the mat. What we're witnessing here might be the future of Kyrgyz wrestling.
Red open.
Yeah, 21 years old.
Open red. Red open.
Beyshekiev is not budging.
Red, attention. Okay, no blood. Open red. Center. That's all.
And Shimizu going to drive action to the edge. Going to get two called for, one from the judge and one from the chair. So one for the step out. Once again, two of the three officials have to agree on the call for it to go up on the board. The official, the judge, and the mat chairman. .30 to go, 8-2 lead for Beyshekiev.
No block, red open. Action blue. Open red. All right, red open.
10 to go. Kyrgyzstan on the doorstep of history. They have done it. He has done it. A gold medal, an Asian championship for Kyrgyzstan, and Razzak Beyshekiev giving Kyrgyzstan a fourth Greco-Roman Asian gold for the first time in this nation's wrestling history. 4 Greco golds in a single championship. And the fourth is locked up by that man, Razzak Beyshekiev.